Hello, so this oil slops treatment case study from SAS Environmental Services takes us all the way to Canada, to Alberta. Canada, I love Canada, one of my absolute favorite places in the whole world. Love doing business there as well. So, where did we go? We were just outside Edmonton in a oil waste treatment facility, and we were there for 4 weeks. And this facility takes in all sorts of liquid waste from oil field activities, from production activities, from drilling and exploration activities. All of it is liquid slops waste with small amounts of oil in it and some fines in it and some water in it. And what they try to do there is basically separate out the solids. The solids go to hazardous waste landfill sites, and the water that they recover they try to re-inject. There was very little oil in the waste, we were told, maybe between no oil at all and 2%, so they were not getting any oil out really, and they weren't expecting there to be an awful lot of oil. So we shipped a bunch of chemical up, and we shipped an inline static mixer with a chemical injection point, as you can see, that allowed us to inject chemistry directly into the flow line just before the decanter centrifuge that they already had installed. And this worked really, really well. So after injecting about 0.75% of our SAS Slop Treat 135SC product, we got a fantastic split. The solids that were recovered were really dry coming out of the centrifuge. And the solids, in fact, were so good, of such a high quality, that instead of a hazardous landfill site, all the solids that were produced in the trial ended up going to a non-hazardous landfill site, which is a massive saving. And instead of, we were told, about a 6-hour drive, it was only a 30-minute drive to the landfill site. We improved oil recovery from what was at best 2%, and we got to 16% oil recovery. In fact, we recovered so much oil there wasn't enough storage for it. And of course, the value of that oil is very significant as well. The addition of the SAS chemistry also improved the decanter centrifuge throughput by 33%, which meant they could process more waste on a daily basis. And this worked really smoothly and easily. And as I just said, the solids that we recovered from the process were really dry, and the BTEX levels were down so far that under BTEX regulations, instead of hazardous, these solids could now be disposed of in a non-hazardous landfill site. And also, these solids don't need any solidifying or stabilizing with any other solids. They are just completely dry. So a massive increase in oil recovery in this particular project, which was an absolute tremendous success, as our customer put it. So we did a little bit of keeping Canada amazing. It's a beautiful country, and it was really, really good to be a small part of making sure that Canada stays amazing, just a fraction more. So that's it. If you want to know more about this particular trial, if you want to know more about the SAS Slop Treat 135SC, you get in touch with us, and we're more than happy to answer your questions. All right, bye.